Hello everyone, warm greetings from Russia. This is a new collection of cool and new products that will surprise you. Sit back and get ready, let's go! This is a recumbent bicycle. According to the manufacturer, it overcomes all hard-to-reach areas, including sand, gravel, mud or snow. In some ways, it's like a roadster or quad bike. As for me, there's a lack of an electric motor. Also, then it will not be a bicycle, but some kind of recumbent scooter. And this is a Chameleon Robot. It changes color, twists its eyes and tail. It looks great in the dark. Colors flicker as if they flow into each other. The robot is able to hunt. The set includes chips. Using the button on the remote, it throws out the tongue and catches these chips. And the most interesting thing is that the tongue is not always enough, so the game turns into a real hunt. And this is a power bank in the form of a Captain America shield. This product is simply amazing, metal and heavy. The box it was in was slightly dented, but nothing had happened to the product. The set includes wire. The power of the product is 6000 mAh, perfect as a gift for a Marvel fan. This is a great combination of design and technological innovations in lighting. A unique set of 9 RGB panels is an advanced interior design solution that you haven't seen before. They will decorate any room and create a unique atmosphere filled with light and 16 million colors. Each panel is attached to the wall with double-sided tape. They can be connected to each other in any order. The color, brightness and contrast of each panel are set in a special app on your smartphone. This is a budget folding quadcopter. It is controlled only via a smartphone. There is a camera, but the quality is honestly so-so. I advise those who never had a quadcopter before. Suitable for beginners. It also supports gyro control on your phone. I was surfing the internet and found some unusual keyboard case. They are completely metal and some in different types. My favorite is Thor's hammer. The key itself is slightly broken as if a real Thor's hammer fell on it. It looks good with Iron Man 2. The mount is fully magnetic, some even glow. The product is rated excellent. This is a self-balancing robot with a camera. It executes various commands. Depending on the speed of executing commands, the robot will move as if it is dancing. However, it is designed for ideal floors and surfaces. If you have a carpet at home, I don't recommend it. The camera is not very good, but it is quite suitable as an extension. The cool thing is that you can configure it yourself. This is an unusual opener. It looks much like a gun or even sawn-off shotgun. When opening the bottle, the lid remains inside, and if you pull the trigger, it will instantly fly out of it. And an additional push of the spring will help increase its speed. The product is useless, but interesting. This is an unusual hybrid of a smartphone and a watch. The main feature is a curved screen. The characteristics are modest, but it is expensive. Of course, you can make calls on it, search for something on the internet, but for watching YouTube or playing games is a bad option. The design is really impressive, but I prefer regular smartphones. What about you? And this is the famous Captain America sheet. As soon as I saw it, I knew it was exactly what I needed. The sheet itself is small, I would say miniature, made entirely of durable metal. And this is not some kind of kitchen as you might think at first, but quite a throwing weapon. The main thing is to find your goal. I think some people are already tired of quadcopters, but what about a helicopter? Also, the flight time is short, but the flight itself is incomparable with any quadcopter. In addition, the large size of the device allows you to make steep maneuvers and carry some things. Also, this again a quadcopter, but this one distorts your attention. It's just teeny in size compared to regular ones. It is made in the color of a frog. It is controlled by both the remote control and the phone. You should not expect 4K from the camera, because the drone itself is cheap. I hope many people remember the movie that these gloves are from. Do you remember? Write them in the comments. So, the main character wore a glove with sharp metal claws on his right hand, and a copy of the same glove is now on sale. Also, the blades are not as sharp as in the movie, but still quite frightening. And then suddenly someone could cut themselves. Please be careful with sharp objects. These are message slippers. The width is adjustable with velcro, so they will fit even on a white leg. There are message heads all over the surface that also rotate. The only drawback is that they are not suitable for frequent wear. 2 or 3 hours a day is enough, fulfilling its function, and they look quite interesting. This is an unusual watch that works on water. They don't need any batteries or sockets to work. To do this, just pour ordinary water and throw a pinch of salt. Inside these clogs are electrodes that extract energy from water particles through a slow chemical reaction. There are no minuses, only pros. And this is a new improved model of the SK12 mini camera. 2 infrared diodes provide night vision, records Full HD video at 30 frames per second. This can be easily attached even to a quadcopter if it has a poor built-in video camera. Selfie sticks no longer surprise anyone. But no, this is a 4-in-1 fixture. It combines a wireless speaker, selfie stick, power bank and flashlight. The plastic is good, the assembly is high quality. As scientists have found out, selfies are a disease, but sometimes you can get sick, and I think it is normal. The Gauntlet of Infinity, suitable as a gift for comic book lovers. See the stones on the glove? They were the ones the villain Thanos was supposed to find. So I don't remember why. If you remember, write in the comments. When you press the button, all the stones light up, and the glove begins to make different frightening sounds. It is also useless, but I think it is really interesting thing. This is a 3-in-1 kitchen set. The first of them is a spoon. It separates watermelon pulp with hemispheres. The following tool removes the seeds of melons, and the third cuts the flesh either from the melon or from the kiwi. I don't know who needs it. I'm used to using just a knife. Who also agrees, write in the comments. It's a chewing bowl. It comes in a deflated state. Inflating is easy if you have a pump at hand, but you will have to try it with your mouth. Surprisingly, it turned out to be strong. I've been lying with my weight a bunch of times, and it's nothing, just a little deflated, and that's it. I wouldn't recommend ordering it if you have a small apartment. It's too big and particularly useless. And this is a Thor's Thunder Hammer. This magic weapon is able to control lightning, but this is only in comics. In life it can only destroy something. According to the comic, this axe was forged to fight Thanos, but as far as I know it didn't help much. Or I'm wrong. Write in the comments what product you like the most and let's discuss it together. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want these videos to come out more often. Have a nice day!